Hi there, welcome to our channel Free Tech. In this video, we will talk about how to connect Shopify with Printful. So for this, first of all, visit shopify.com and create a store with Shopify. Once the store is created, this is the interface that you are showing. So what you can do is simply go to search bar here and search for Printful. As you search for it, you will find this app here. Click on it. And now here you need to install it in your website, like in your store. So I will click on install. So now it may take few seconds while installing. I will still want to install this app. Okay, so now as you can see, this is installed here. I will click on sign in. Okay, so now it is asking for authorize to Printful. So yes, I will authorize it. Okay, so now if I go to my Printful and I will go to store section, and from here, as you can see, the store is connected. In this way, you can connect Shopify with Printful. This is it for today's video. I hope you like it. If you have any question, please comment down below and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.